Welcome to New Cars Reviews today with another video. The 2025 Honda HR-V is a versatile subcompact SUV that combines modern styling, a spacious interior, and practical performance. Here's an overview of its exterior, interior, and performance features. Exterior design. The 2025 HR-V showcases a sleek and contemporary design with LED lighting, equipped with LED headlights and taillights, providing enhanced visibility and a modern look. Color options, available in various colors including platinum white pearl, crystal black pearl, and Nordic forest pearl. Aerodynamic profile, the sculpted body lines and refined front grille contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency and stylish appearance. Interior comfort and features. Inside, the HR-V offers a comfortable and functional cabin. Seating capacity accommodates up to 5 passengers with ample legroom and headroom. Cargo space provides 24.4 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expandable to 55.1 cubic feet with the 60-40 split folding rear seats. Infotainment system features a standard 7-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity. Higher trims offer a 9-inch touchscreen with additional functionalities. Interior materials. Higher trims include leather-trimmed seats and a power-adjustable driver's seat for added comfort. Performance and efficiency. The HR-V delivers reliable performance suitable for daily driving. Engine, powered by a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, producing 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque. Transmission, equipped with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for smooth acceleration. Drivetrain options, available in both front-wheel drive, FWD, and real-time all-wheel drive, AWD configurations. Fuel efficiency achieves an EPA estimated 26 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Safety and technology. Safety and driver assistance features include Honda Sensing Suite, standard across all trims, offering collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and road departure mitigation. Additional features. Higher trims may include parking sensors and blind spot monitoring for enhanced safety. Overall, the 2025 Honda HR-V combines practicality with modern features, making it a strong contender in the subcompact SUV segment. If you have specific questions about trims or features, feel free to ask.